This has become such an issue in the hospitality design sector. We bring together more than 300 vendors. We bring together 3,000 designers and also speakers to talk about what's new in hospitality, the latest trends, but we also want people to be able to touch that and feel that. So there's places where designers can make their own furniture. They can go to a conference and they can hear some of the most important hoteliers in the industry, not only people who are established, but people who are up and coming.
I think a lot of the big issues are centered around how do we design for people, right? You know, how do we incorporate wellness, designing for wellness, designing for flexibility. Everybody comes from a different culture. They live, work, and play very differently, and so how can the design industry really encompass all of those facets of the folks that we're designing for?
In 2008, he was Boutique Designer of the Year.
Can any of you share with us some insight about the type of conversations you actually have?
We actually will not participate in a competition if there's no compensation and where they expect or they ask for the rights for any idea that's presented.
A high degree of client education, or prospective client education that needs to occur.
Thank you.
Associated Press.
The idea is that when you walk into a hotel, you feel comfortable. It's an experience, but it's also an aspirational experience. So it's probably not going to hit you over the head. It's going to be subtle, and the textures are going to be things that you want to sit on. You're not going to go to a restaurant and think, I can't wait to get up off this chair because it's woolly and it's scratchy and it's awful. It's all about the guest. The guest wants to feel that everything in that hotel is curated to his or her taste.
So we can have 8 different colors, or we take something that has a hardness of about 800 pounds on a drinkable test.
Sustainability and using repurposed materials is a big trend in our industry. And so what we do is we take different materials, such as denim, that is collected from jean manufacturing facilities and made into a composite board that we infuse with an acrylic polymer, and also sorghum straw, which is a repurposed material from the agricultural industry, and we infuse those with acrylic polymers so that we can make interior surfaces that are used in transition tops, bar tops, tabletops, paneling, and a wide variety of applications.
They're using crystals in architecture to bring luxury, to bring texture and light into design, especially with lighting. It's very important for modern lighting design and doing something special, just like you saw at the Oscars with the gorgeous design by Derek McLean where it lit up the whole stage like a big geode. That type of look, doing something interesting on a surface, just to really bring that luxury and that glamour into your hotel or into your home is what we're seeing as important with crystal.
Anybody who does